Okay, so hi Shweta, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm completely fine. Thanks for asking. Okay, so first of all, tell me something about yourself.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. First of all, thanks for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Shweta, and I'm from Karnataka of Bellary district. And about my studies, I did my PU in science and BSc in graduation in Davangere itself. After
Okay.
my graduation, I got placed and I was selected for Infosys, and also I worked in Infosys for 2 years. Then I continued my higher education after leaving my Infosys. Then I joined as a sorry, I did
Go
my
ahead.
master degree in mathematics. After that, I joined as a guest lecturer, and then again I joined as a I have completed a means B.Ed course. After that, I worked in government school for 6 months. Then this is all about my academic. About my hobbies, I used to play chess in my free time and I do yoga. And since my childhood, I've been doing some anchoring in some functions, and I used to sing sometimes. So this is all about my introduction, sir.
Perfect, Shweta. Okay, so Shweta, why do you want to pursue your career in teaching? Why do you want to come in teaching?
Yes, sir. Actually, some from beginning itself, I have been so much of interested in teaching field. So
Hmm.
I want my journey in teaching itself.
Okay. So have you done any good thing in teaching? Any achievement from your side that you have done so far?
Teaching, I used to take seminars in Infosys itself. I was taking some seminars for the adults, and in MSc also I used to take some seminars, and I have done some YouTube videos. That
Oh,
that's all, sir.
perfect. So do you have the YouTube channel also?
No, sir.
Okay, you have done some YouTube videos from
Some
for the colleges
motivational
and all.
videos. That's it.
Perfect.
Yes.
Okay. So now we move to next section of the interview, that is a live demo section. So now
Yes.
whatever topic you have prepared, just give me a live demo on that topic and treat me as a student of class 4 or 5 and let me know everything in details. Okay. All the best. Go ahead.
Thanks. Hello everyone, my name is Shweta and today I am going to explain about the concept of mathematics, that is congruence of a triangle. So before going to that, first we need to understand about what is meant by congruence. Is this congruency rule is applicable for only objects, or can we apply this for those two kinds? Can we let's see now. First thing is, what is meant by congruency? Congruency means if two objects are said to be congruent, if they are having the same shape and same size, then we can say that the two objects are congruent. And also we can define in another way, the two objects are said to be congruent if they superimpose and they completely covered with each other. Then also we can say that the two objects are congruent. We'll see some examples so that we can understand this concept very well. Let's consider these two 100 rupee notes. See, these two notes are having the same shape and same size, right? So this is one of the best example for a congruency. And also we can give one more example is our palms. If I placed one over the another, it completely coinciding with each other, right? So this is also satisfying the congruency rule. Then let's have a quiz now. I will consider one 100 rupee note and one 50 rupee note. Is this note These notes are satisfying the congruency rule? No, right? Why? Because these two notes are having the same shape but not size. So this is one of the best example for a non-congruency. So this is all about a congruency of objects. Let's now we move on to the congruence of a triangle. When do you say that the two triangles are said to be congruent? Two triangles are said to be congruent if they are having the same shape and same size. That means all three corresponding angles and three corresponding sides are equal. Then we can say that the two triangles are congruent. Let's see some of the criteria to find whether the given triangles are congruent or not. What are those? The first one is S. It means side, side, side. The second one is S. It means side, angle, side. The third one is A. It means angle, side, angle. The fourth one is Yes. It means angle, angle, side. The last one is RHS. It means right angle hypotenuse side. So these are the important criteria to find whether the given triangles are congruent or not. Let's discuss one by one. The first congruency rule is SSS. It means side, side, side. It states that if we have two triangles ABC and one more PQR, here all three sides of this triangle are equivalent to the corresponding side of this triangle, then we can say that these two triangles means ABC and PQ are congruent. We will write this one like this: ABC is congruent to PQR. So if these two triangles satisfy this rule, we can say that these two triangles are congruent. Then the next criteria is SAS. Here this states that any
Okay,
two
Shweta,
sides.
that's all. Okay, thank you. Okay, so now we will have next section of the interview, that will be question answer round. So basically I'll be
Okay.
asking some theoretical and practical questions. So try to answer
Okay.
all those questions. Okay. So first of all, I want to know, in mathematics there is a theorem called basic proportionality theorem. What is that
Yes.
theorem?
Yes. Basic proportionality theorem, it states that a line which is parallel to a side of any triangle, that line cuts the two distinct points of any two sides, then the ratio of those two sides will be equal. So this is the basic proportionality theorem.
Okay. What is midpoint theorem?
Midpoint theorem means a line which joins the two points. Sorry, sir.
Mhm.
Yes, sir. A line which connecting the midpoints of any two sides, then that line which is parallel to the third side. So this is a
That is
midpoint theorem.
okay. So what is tangent and what is secant in case of a circle?
Yes, sir. Secant means it is a line segment which cuts the two distinct points in a circle. That is called a secant. Where tangent is a line which touches the circle at only single point.
Okay.
That is
And
a
what is
tangent.
okay? And how many secants can we draw in a circle at a time?
Infinite number of secants.
And what about tangent?
Infinite number of tangents we can draw for a circle, sir.
There is no restriction.
No, sir. Means tangent means it touches the only one point, right? We can draw so many tangents over there.
Okay, got your point. Okay. Suppose if we are having a 6-degree equation, what is this equation called?
6-degree
Yeah.
polynomials.
Okay. And what about 8-degree?
Yes, that is also polynomial, sir.
Okay. So after which degree we call everything as polynomial?
I think third degree is a cubic polynomial. Fourth
Okay.
degree is a quartic polynomial.
Okay.
Above fourth degree, we can say that that is a polynomial, sir.
Okay. Okay. How do we find the roots of equation in case of a 2-degree polynomial? A 2-degree
Yes,
equation
sir.
basically.
It means quadratic equation, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. We have one formula:
Yeah.
minus
What is
b
that?
plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a.
What is b square minus 4ac?
That is a discriminant, sir. It tells about the nature of the roots.
Okay. Perfect.
It
What is
means either
ortho? Go ahead.
yes. real, imaginary, real and equal.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, you want to show? Show me. Not a problem.
Yes. If the discriminant b square minus 4, is it visible, sir?
Not
b
clearly.
square minus 4ac
Mm-hmm.
equal to 0 means the roots will be real and equal. If b
Okay.
square minus 4ac is less than 0, the roots are imaginary. If b
Okay.
square minus 4ac is greater than 0 means real and unequal, sir.
Okay, perfect. Got your point. Okay. What is orthocenter?
Yes, sir. Orthocenter, it is a point where all three altitudes are intersecting the points. Then that point is called a orthocenter.
What is circumcenter?
Circumcenter means a perpendicular bisector of the sides of the triangle. That point of intersection is called circumcenter.
And what is centroid?
Centroid means it is a point of intersection where all three medians were intersecting a point. That point is called centroid.
All three medians are intersecting. That point is called, right?
Centroid, sir. It is a point of intersection where all three medians are intersecting, sir.
Okay. What is distance theorem?
Distance theorem.
Mm-hmm.
Theorem formula.
Formula. Distance formula.
Yes, sir. Distance formula is if we have if we are a if we have drawn a plane, a line which is neither parallel to x-axis nor y-axis. In that case, we need to use this formula. It means here the coordinate is x1, y1 and here x2, y2. Then we need to draw like this, means we need to make this is a right angular triangle. Here this distance will be y2 minus y1 and this will be x2 minus x1. By using the Pythagorean theorem, we can solve this. We will get that x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the formula of this is the distance formula.
Perfect. Okay. How do you find a perimeter of a semicircle?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So in the semicircle, it means we need to consider 2 pi r divided by 2 plus the length of the diameter. It means 2r. So we will get pi plus 2. It means r into pi plus r. Perimeter
Okay,
of a
perfect.
semicircle is r into pi plus r.
Okay. Now I want you to solve some equations for me. Okay, I'm giving you a question. Please note the question and solve it for me. Okay. You have to find the largest number that divide three numbers. Okay. The numbers are 398. Note it down. The numbers are 398, 436,
398,
436,
436,
and 542. Okay.
542. Yes, sir.
And these are leaving the remainders 7, 11, and 15. Okay.
7, 11, 15.
And 15. Yes. You
Yes,
have
sir.
to find the largest number that divides all these three numbers.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Actually, sir, right now I'm not getting. If you
Okay.
give a chance, let's try this question, sir.
Sure,
I'll
go
give a
ahead.
hint.
Mm-hmm.
Here we need to take highest common factor of these two numbers.
Okay.
Means prime factorization, I think.
Okay.
Prime
So,
factorization of these three numbers.
okay. So you are saying basically we'll take the HCF, highest common factor of all these three number, and whatever the highest common factor is, that will be the number, right? That is your point?
Yes, Through prime factorization, we need to find, I think, sir.
Through prime factorization.
Yes, sir. We have
Okay.
some short tricks, sir. Somewhere I learned these questions.
Okay.
The
Okay, no worries. No worries, no worries, not a problem. Okay, so I want to know the divisibility rule from you. What is divisibility rule of 13 and 14?
13 is 13.
And 14.
The divisibility rule of 13 will be sum of odd number minus sum of even number.
Odd numbers. Which odd numbers?
If we have, see if we consider any number, means like this 1, 3, 2, 4. If you want to check this
Suppose
number
I am
is
giving you a
divisible
number.
with,
I am
yes
giving
sir,
you a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes.
Yeah. Now, if I want to check it is divisible by 13 or not, how will I check?
We need to add odd position numbers, means 1 plus 3 plus 5. Then minus subtract from even place. It means 2 plus 4 plus 6.
Are you sure this is the right method?
I'm getting confusion, but I think this is a
Because
divisibility
see,
rule of 11.
if you subtract 1, 3, 5, 1 plus 3 plus 5 from 2 plus 4
We'll
plus
get,
6, you'll get a negative number, right?
yes, a negative number.
Then how can I check the divisibility rule in this case?
13.
Okay, I'll tell you, you're doing
This
the
is
right
the
thing. You're going the right way. The only thing is you'll have to reverse it. Like 2 plus 4 plus 6 will be in primary place, then minus 1 plus 3 plus 5. That will be okay.
okay.
Okay? Okay, no worries.
Okay.
Okay, what is slope intercept form?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Y equal to mx plus c, sir.
Okay. Can you just elaborate if I want to find, if I have 2 points, let's say y1 and y2, then how can we put these points in this equation?
Yes, sir. In point slope form, we can solve, we can write like this: y minus y1, that will be equals to m into x minus x1. This is a point slope form. So if you
Okay.
point, we can put here this. M is a slope of the line, sir.
Okay, perfect. Okay. I am giving you numbers. Please note the numbers. Numbers are
Yes, sir.
24,
Yes, sir.
21,
Yes.
24, comma 21, comma 18. This is basically a series in arithmetic
20,
progression.
24, 21,
18. Okay.
18. Okay.
And to be continued. Okay. This is basically a
Okay.
series in arithmetic progression. Okay.
Okay,
In
sir.
which you have the sum given as 72. Okay. You have to find how many terms do we have in this series.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, go ahead. Is it solvable?
Yes, sir. 11, sir.
Sure?
Yes.
I don't think that's correct.
I think somewhere I start. By using the formula Sn, that will be equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We use this formula. By using this, we can get, I think, sir.
Then have you made any mistake in calculation?
I think
Because the
I
formula is correct. So I think there is something that you have missed from your part.
yes.
Okay, no worries. ठीक है. Tell me what is sine formula? In case
By
of a triangle,
given
obviously, where
yes,
we
sir.
have a side of ABC.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
We have a right angle triangle
yeah.
ABC.
Hmm.
Then sine means it is a hypotenuse side.
No, no. That is trigonometric ratios. I am considering and asking about sine formula. There are two formulas, sine formula and cosine formula. That is basically related with the length. If a triangle ABC is there, then sides are considered in sine formula and cosine formula. In cosine formula, we generally have an angle as well. But in sine formula, we have sides and angles as well. So if we have only sides given and angles given, that is not right angle triangle. A simple triangle is there. Okay.
Yes,
ABC.
sir.
No right angle. A normal triangle is there. And we have been given the sides of that triangle. Suppose two sides are given and two of the like angles are given of that particular triangle. I want to find the third side.
Yes, sir. I think I'm getting now. Suppose if we have a triangle ABC, it means alpha. No, I think alpha,
Yeah,
beta, gamma
going.
are the
Yeah,
angles.
yeah.
Alpha divided by AB means one side.
AB, not AB.
Means
You are missing on
any
something.
one of the side of.
Yeah, I understand your point, but that is not AB. That is something else that you are missing.
Mm, alpha divided by sine A. Mm, Sine AB. Oh no, I think
Okay, no worries. Do you know the cosine formula?
no, sir.
Any idea about cosine formula? Anything?
Cosine.
Yeah,
Right now,
cosine
I'm not
formula.
getting.
Not getting. Okay, no problem. I have one more question for you. Suppose there is an
Yes,
equation given 7 sine square A. Note it down. 7 sine
yes, sir.
square A plus
Yes,
3
sir.
cos square A is
Yes,
equals
sir.
to 4. You have
Okay.
to find the value of tan A.
Okay, sir.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. We used to here 7 sine square A plus 3 cos square A equal to 4. We need to
Hmm.
find tan A equal to some value. Here
Hmm.
4 sine square, we need to write this like this. 4 sine square A plus 3 cos square A plus here they given already 3 cos square A. We need to subtract, not subtract,
Okay, I got your
4
point.
sine square A plus
I
3
got your
into
point. I
sine
got your
square
point.
theta plus cos square. Yes.
Perfect. I got the concept what you have applied. Okay.
Okay.
So I think Shweta, we are done with the interview and I'm done with my questions. So now we'll head to our feedback session. Okay.
Okay.
Bye.